Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this diploma online lecture series. This is lecture number 53. In lecture number 52, we have seen how to find the solution of differential equation using variable separable method, right? In this lecture, we are going to see another method of the differential equation, that is linear differential equation. Okay. So how we identify the given differential equation is linear or not? See, if the differential equation is in the form of this form, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions in x, then we say that it is linear differential equation of first order and 5th degree. Okay. How to solve? Find p and q. The given problem can be compared with this. Find p and q. Then find if. Okay, what is the IF formula? Integrating factor formula. E raised to integration of t dx. Then find solution. What is the solution? Y into IF is equal to integration of q IF dx plus c. Okay. So let us see some problems. Solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation. Problem is dy by dx plus y by x is equal to 1 by x cube. Okay. So if you observe step number 1, write the given differential equation. Given differential equation is dy by dx plus y by x is equal to 1 upon x cube. Okay. So step 1 is finding p and q. Step 1. So comparing with this dy by dx plus py is equal to q. If you compare this with this, see here dy by dx, y. So what is attached with y? There is 1 by x. So p is 1 by x, q is 1 by x cube. So p is 1 by x and q is 1 upon x cube. Okay. Step 1. Step 2, finding if, integrating factor. Okay. Integrating factor. So what is if? E raised to integration of p dx. So e raised to 1 by x dx, integration of 1 by x dx. So that is e raised to log x, and that is equal to x, because there is formula e raised to log of जे काय असेल इथे, that will be remaining this. Okay, this is the formula. e raised to log, आणि log च्या पुढे जे काय आहे ते त्याचा आन्सर आहे. कारण log आणि सिमिलर फंक्शन्स होतात ते कॅन्सल होऊन जातात. ओके, अपोजिट इनवर्स होतात आणि कॅन्सल होऊन जातील. ओके, फक्त एक्स राहतं, त्यामुळे इथे काय जाईल, फक्त एक्स राहील. ओके, e raised to log x म्हणजेच काय राहिलं, एक्स राहिलं. if आला x. Step 3, solution. Solution is given by y into if is equal to integration of q if dx plus c. Okay, so here काय येईल मग, that is equal to y if. What is the value of y? X integration of q. What is the q? 1 upon x cube into if is x dx plus c. Okay, now I have to find the solution. So xy is equal to integration of what is remaining, x and 1 by, that is 1 by x square is remaining, dx plus c. Okay, now what is the formula? Integration formula, 1 upon x raised to n dx is equal to what? Minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. This is x. So here काय होईल, xy is equal to minus 2 upon x cube plus c. Okay, that is integration. If you take this term to here, so xy plus 2 upon x cube plus is equal to c. This is your solution. Okay. In this way, we can find the solution of the linear differential equation. काय पहा? Step number 1 काय? Find the value of p and q. How we find the value of p and q? By comparing with the given equation. Step 1. here, comparing with this equation. Okay, dy by dx, dy by dx, y by x, py. y आहे, p म्हणजे काय झालं 1 by x झालं, q काय झालं 1 by x cube झालं. इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर if e raised to integration of p dx, e raised to 1 by x, 1 by x इंटिग्रेशन log e. e raised to log आलं तर ते काय पुढे तेच राहतं, x राहिले इथे. Solution given by yif integration of qif dx plus c. My x square, what is the integration of x square? That is using this formula, 1 upon x with p, and n is 2 minus 2 upon x cube. Okay. Now let us solve next problem. This is just simple method. Solve the differential equation. Next problem is dy by dx minus y is equal to e raised to x. Okay. So given differential equation, right? Given differential equation, dy by dx minus y is equal to e raised to x. Step 1, find p and q. Okay, so comparing with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. If we compare with this, so we get p is equal to what? Minus 1. Q is equal to what? E raised to x. Comparing this with this. Okay. Now step 2, finding if. If, what is the formula of if integrating factor? E raised to integration of p dx. Okay. So e raised to integration of minus 1 dx. Okay. So that is minus is taken common, e raised to integration of 1 dx. So that is e raised to minus log of x. Okay. So this can be simplified as like log of x raised to minus 1. So e raised to log of 1 by x. So what is remaining? 1 by x is remaining. Because e raised to log आणि हे जे काय फंक्शन आहे ते फंक्शन राहतं, because e raised to x and log of x are inverse, they get cancelled. So 1 by x is remaining. Okay. Why this taken here minus 1? Because there is a log formula, n log of x is equal to what? Log of x raised to n. हा जर n याच्या पुढे असेल तर हा याचा पॉवर होतो, त्यानुसार हा मायनस लॉग x आले, म्हणून हा मायनस 1 x चा मायनस 1 पॉवर झाला, म्हणजे 1 by x. ओके, ठीक आहे. स्टेप 3, solution is given by yif is equal to integration of qif dx plus c. Okay, so that is equal to what? Y into 1 by x integration of q. What is q? What is q? It is e raised to x upon x dx plus c. Okay. So now we use integration by parts. So the question is not only finding the integrating factor. Sorry, solution is not that. Question is what? Question was wrong. Question is what? Find integrating factor. Okay, so that is the solution. 2 steps, no need to find solution. Okay, so in this way we can find the solution, or sometimes question may be asked like this: find integrating factor and find solution. Okay, so what is the integrating factor? 1 by x. Got it? Next. Solve the differential equation. What is given? That is dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to cos square x. Okay. So comparing given differential equation, dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to cos square x. So step 1, compare finding p and q. So comparing with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So what is here? Dy by dx is there. Okay. Plus is there. Y term is there. This is y. So what is remaining? P is equal to tan x, right? So P is equal to what? Tan x. And what is Q? Q is equal to what? Cos square x, right? So step 2, finding IF. What is the formula of IF? IF is equal to integration of e raised to integration of P dx, okay? So e raised to integration of tan x dx. What is the integration of tan x? E raised to tan x. So integration of tan x is log of sec x, okay? So what is remaining? Sec of x is remaining, log sec x. What is the integration of tan x? Integration of tan x is log sec x. So e raised to log sec x is remaining. Okay. Now step 3. Finding solution. Question काय नीट पहा IF फाइंड करायचं का सॉल्व करायचं इथे सॉल्व आहे. Okay. So solution is what? Y IF is equal to integration of Q IF dx plus C. Okay. So y into what is the integration? Sec x IF. Integration of Q is what? Cos square x. What is the IF? Sec x dx plus C. Okay. So y into sec of x, integration of cos square x. What is the sec? That is cos of x dx plus C. Okay. And it is equal to what? So 1 cos get cancelled. Y sec of x is equal to integration of what is remaining? Cos x is remaining plus C. What is the integration of cos? That is sin x. So this is equal to what? Y sec of x is equal to sin x plus C. That is your final answer. Okay. This is the solution, and it is the general solution because C is there, right? In this way, sometimes we can find the solution. क्वेश्चन कसं आहे त्यावर डिपेंड आहे. इथं सॉल्व होतं, क्वेश्चन होता सॉल्व म्हणून आपण सोल्युशन फाइंड केलं. इथं क्वेश्चन काय होता सेकंड प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये क्वेश्चन होता फाइंड इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर पाहिजे, म्हणून आपण काय फाइंड केलं? फक्त इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टरच फाइंड केलं. परत तिसरा क्वेश्चन काय होता? सॉल्व, म्हणून आपण काय केलं? स्टेप 3 एक ऍडिशनल फाइंड केली, सॉल्व. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. Solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation. So x dy by dx minus 4y is equal to x raised to 5 e raised to x. Okay. X raised to 5 e raised to x. Okay. So write the given differential equation. Given differential equation. So x dy by dx minus 4y is equal to x raised to 5 e raised to x. Okay. So step 1. Step 1. Comparing with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Comparing with this. So dy by dx, there is no coefficient, and here there is the x coefficient. So divide equation 1. Divide 1 by x. So this is equal to what? Dy by dx minus 4 by xy is equal to what? X raised to 5 by x raised to 4 is there, e raised to x. Okay. So now what do we get? P is equal to minus 4 upon x. And what is q? Q is x raised to 4 e raised to x. Okay. Step 2. Step 2 काय? Finding IF, integrating factor. IF is equal to what? E raised to integration of tan x dx. So e raised to integration of minus 4 by x dx. Okay, so e raised to minus 4 is taken outside, 1 by x dx. What is the integration of 1 by x? That is log x. So here e raised to minus 4 log x. Okay. So this can be written as e raised to log of x raised to minus 4 because formula is there. N log of x, it is log of x raised to n. म्हणजे लॉगच्या पुढे n असेल तर हा n याचा पॉवर होतो x त्यानुसार हा -4 काय झाला x चा पॉवर झाला -4. सो दॅट इज e रेज टू लॉग ऑफ यालाच आपण असं लिहू शकतो 1 x रेज टू 4. ओके म्हणजे फायनली काय राहिलं 1 x रेज टू 4 राहिलं कारण e रेज टू लॉग लॉगच्या पुढे जे असेल तेच राहतं फायनली e आणि लॉग कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल. ओके सो दिस इज IF. नाउ सोल्यूशन स्टेप 3. Step 3 solution. Solution is given by what? YIF is equal to integration of QIF dx plus C. Okay. So what is IF? Y into IF is 1 by x raised to 4. Integration of Q. Q is what? X raised to 4 e raised to x. What is IF? 1 upon x raised to 4 dx plus C. Okay. So if x raised to 4 get cancelled, what is remaining? Y upon x raised to 4 is equal to integration of e raised to x dx plus C. So e raised to x, what is the integration of e raised to x? That is e raised to x. Okay. Plus C, that is your solution. Okay. In this way, we can find the solution of the linear differential equation. Okay. What are the steps? First, compare with the given equation. जर dy by dx ला काही जर जोडून आलेलं असेल तर ते आपल्याला कॅन्सल करावं लागतं. तसाही एक प्रॉब्लेम घेऊया आपण. ओके नेक्स्ट. Solve the differential equation. What is the question? Dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to what? Cosec x. Okay. So write the given differential equation. Dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to what? Cosec x. So step 1, finding P and Q. Step 1, finding Q and P and Q. So comparing with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Comparing this with this is the standard linear differential equation form of first order. So dy by dx is there, dy by dx is there. Y is there, y is there. So cot x is what? P. So this cot x will be what? P and cosec x will be what? Q. Okay, in this way we can find P and Q. So P is what? P is cot x and what is Q? Q is cosec x. Okay. So step 2. Step 2 काय आता? Finding integrating factor. Finding IF. What is the formula of IF? E raised to integration of P dx. So e raised to what is it? P integration of cot x dx. Okay. So what is the integration of cot? That is log of sin x. Okay. So what is remaining? Sin x is remaining because e raised to log sin x, so sin x is remaining. Okay. IF. Step 3. Because there is formula e raised to log of bracket is equal to what? Bracket. It is remaining. Okay. E raised to log. So that's why e raised to log sin x is sin x. Okay. Step 3. Solution is given by what? YIF is equal to integration of QIF dx plus C. Okay. So this is equal to what? Y. IF is what? Sin x. Integration of Q. Q is cosec x. IF is sin x dx plus C. Okay. Now cosec is what? 1 by sin. So y sin x is equal to integration of 1 by sin x into sin x dx plus c. So sin x get cancelled. What is remaining? Y sin x is equal to integration of dx plus c. And what is the integration of dx? Integration of dx is x. So y sin x is equal to x plus c. That is your final solution. And this is general solution. Okay. In this way, we can find the solution by linear differential equation. Sometimes there is a question to find what IF. Okay. So how we can find the solution by linear differential equation in 3 steps. Find P and Q by comparing this general standard linear differential equation with the given problem. Find integrating factor e raised to integration of P dx. P is found from the step 1. Okay. Then find solution y is equal to yif is equal to integration of qif dx plus c. Okay, in this way we have found this problem. Okay. So next question is find if integrating factor. Find integrating factor of cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to what? Tan x. Okay. So let us compare with the linear differential equation. V1 differential equation is what? Cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x. So step 1, comparing with the general step 1. Step 1, comparing with general equation of linear differential equation, standard form, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. If you observe here for dy by dx, there is no coefficient, but here there is a cos square coefficient, cos square x coefficient. So let us divide both sides by cos square x. Okay. त्या dy by dx चा काही जुळून नाही. इथे स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये दिलेल्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये cos square x आले. मग त्याचा कोएफिशिएंट करण्यासाठी आपल्याला cos square x ने डिवाइड करावं लागेल. ओके. मग डिवाइड करूया दोन्ही साइडला cos square x ने. Dividing both sides by cos square x. So हे काय होईल मग इथून कॅन्सल होईल. ओके. dy by dx आणि याला डिवाइड होईल y अपॉन cos square x is equal to what? Tan x upon cos square x. Okay. So म्हणजेच काय dy by dx is equal to होईल plus y. 1 by cos is sec square x. So sec square x is equal to tan x. Cos square x is sec square x. Okay. Now comparing with this equation now. Comparing this with this now. So what is P? What is P? P is what? Sec square x. Okay. And what is Q? Q is tan x sec square x. Now we have to find what? Integrating factor. So step 2. Integrating factor is integrating factor IF is equal to what? Integration of QIF. Integrating factor. What is the formula? That is e raised to integration of P dx. Okay. So that is equal to IF e raised to integration of P. P is what? Sec square x dx. And what is the integration of sec square x? That is tan x. E raised to tan x. Okay. E raised to tan x. So in this way we get IF integrating factor. Okay. If the question was solved, then we have to take next step. Solve जर question आला तर solve करायचा आणि integrating factor जर आलं तर IF find करायचं. Okay. अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही काय लिनियर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनचा यूज करून प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. ओके. नेक्स्ट, solve the differential equation. dy by dx plus p sin x is equal to cos square x. Okay. Sin xy plus cos square x. dy by dx plus sin xy is equal to cos square x. Cos x. So given differential equation, dy by dx plus sin x into y sin x actually is equal to cos of x. Okay. So step 1, comparing with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Comparing with, we get p is equal to what? Sin x, and q is equal to what? Cos of x. Okay. So step 2, finding integrating factor. So if is equal to, what is the formula? E raised to integration of p dx. Okay, e raised to integration of sin x dx. Okay. So what is the integration of sin x? That is e raised to minus cos of x. Okay. So this is if. Now solution, step 3. Solution is given by y into if. Solution is given by this formula. Y if is equal to integration of q if dx plus c. This is the solution formula. Okay. And this is the if formula. E raised to integration of p dx. Okay. So integration is e raised to minus cos x. So y into e raised to minus cos x, integration of q is what? Cos of x. I think there should be a sin x. There should be sin x. Make a correction there. So this is sin x. E raised to minus cos x sin x dx plus. Okay. So here sin x and cos x there. So in right hand side put sin x is equal to t. Okay. Sorry, cos x is equal to t. Put cos of x is equal to t. Then what is the derivative? That is minus sin of x is equal to dt upon dx. So this is equal to what? Sin x dx is equal to what? Minus dt. So this problem will be what? Is equal to y e raised to minus cos of x is equal to integration of e raised to minus t minus dt plus c. Okay, so that is equal to what? Y e raised to minus cos of x is equal to what? What is the minus integration of e raised to minus t dt plus c? What is the integration of e raised to minus t? That is y e raised to minus cos x is equal to what? Minus integration of e raised to minus t is e raised to minus t upon minus 1 plus c, because coefficient of t is minus 1 divided by this. So minus minus plus. So y e raised to minus cos of x is equal to what? E raised to minus t plus c. Finally replacing e, what is the value of t? That is what? What is the value of t? That is cos of x. Okay, so replacing cos of x. So that is 1 upon e raised to cos of x plus c. This is your final answer. Got it? In this way, we can find the solution by using linear differential equation. Okay. There may be problem like this, finding integrating factor or finding or solve the differential equation. Okay. So let us stop here. This is the end of this chapter. पहा आतापर्यंत जे चॅप्टर झाले कुठले फंक्शन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऍप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इंटिग्रेशन ऍप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ इंटिग्रेशन आणि डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन हे सगळे चॅप्टर सगळ्यांना आहे ऑल ब्रांचेस. फक्त आता अजून एक चॅप्टर राहिलाय जो ब्रांच वाईज वेगवेगळा आहे. कॉम्प्युटरला वेगळा आहे, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इलेक्ट्रिकलला वेगळा आहे आणि मेकॅनिकल सिव्हिलला वेगवेगळा आहे. तर ते वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने सर घेणार आहेत. तर कॉम्प्युटरचं मी झूम वरती घेणार आहेत, सहाने सर मेकॅनिकल सिव्हिलचं घेतील आणि जगताप सर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आणि इलेक्ट्रिकलचं झूम वरती घेणार आहेत पुढचं एक चॅप्टर. ओके, एक युनिट. त्यामुळे ते पण लेक्चर करायचे तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे, बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थँक्यू.